tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google VEO3 for free. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you can visit gemini.google, and then here you will have a chance to get the Google AI Pro for free for 1 month. You just need to upgrade your Gemini. Okay, you can click on get started here, and then you can upgrade your Gemini. And I have already upgraded my Gemini. As you can see, I have Pro, Google AI Pro, and then I'm going to use VEO3 right here. After we upgrade our Gemini, we will be able to access the VEO3 to create a video. Okay, and here make sure you select the 2.5 Pro. Alright, and then here you can select the tools, and then I'm going to choose videos with VEO, and then you can describe your video, describe the video that you want to create. As you can see, that we're going to use VEO3 right here. Okay, and I have already created a prompt with ChatGPT, so I'm just going to paste my prompt here. Okay, and then you're going to click on submit, and VEO3 will generate video for you. Okay, and now my video is being generated. This can take 1 until 2 minutes. Alright, and now my video is ready, and then I'm going to play it, guys. Wow, that's so cool. And if we want to download the video, we can click on the download icon right here, and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay, guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.